Here is an SRT4 that Joel and I, he goes by LOL Fiat, we tag teamed this together. I did the paint work on it, and Joel did the body work on it. This car was super clean to begin with, and there was just basically door dings in it, no rust on the dog legs here where they're notorious for rusting. And this car's got 93,000 miles on it, and the owner of it, which she's actually 79 years old, absolutely loves this car. And he had some downtime where he wanted to get this thing painted, and Joel and I tag teamed this together. We got about 95 hours into this car, and that would be taking this whole car apart, all the door handles, everything. We took the whole car apart and painted it in about 3 to 4 stages. We did the roof once, we did the doors and fenders another time. I did the rear bumper, and then finished up with the front bumper. So we can go over some material usage and what I used for paint materials on this car, which I sprayed everything with Lesonal paint, and we went back with the PR4 red, the factory color of this. The carbon hood we buffed up and made that nice and shiny, and the owner is going to come tomorrow and pick this thing up, and he's going to be super happy. He's a super nice guy, and he's been waiting. It took us about 2 months. What? How many weeks? About 8, 9 weeks?
9 weeks total.
It took 9 weeks, and this is us doing this on the side. We both work full-time auto body, and we come home and do this together, and he does some work, and I do some work, and yeah, this thing's super clean. 96,000 on the clock there. It's got the nice Viper seats, which makes this car so nice. Without the Viper seats, these cars aren't the same. And this actually does have a built transmission in it, stock turbo, and he's got the boost turned up a little bit. He's got a tune on it, so he loves driving this car. He absolutely loves driving this car. So a little bit done to it, but other than that, it's a super clean car now. I mean, obviously we painted it, and he's, like I said, going to come tomorrow and pick it up. Here's the car all shined up outside. Oh, wow, that red really pops. Look at that in the sunlight. Wow. It's the first time I've got to see it outside in the sun. Here's the shadow side of it. Yeah, this car's looking super nice. Yep. The owner's going to be coming right now to pick this up, and he's going to be thrilled. I just know it. So,